Yeah! Get up!
What is up, everybody? It has been a while since I've shot any footage for the channel, but for you, there hasn't been a break because of my preparation. So, yeah, I haven't been on the bike in about a week. We've had some rain. I've been busy, and life's just been, you know, life catches up with you. I've been getting prepared for a new job that I just started today. I'm in the same office. Well, I have a different office, but I'm in the same department. And I just started a new position today, though. So I've been busy, you know, just preoccupied, I guess is probably the better word. You know, just trying to get my mental state in a good place while I make some life changes. But none of that really affects you, so I'm here to give you guys some more content, as that's the reason why you guys tune into my channel. So we're gonna try and take care of this light here that I know has been driving, it's been driving me crazy, and some of my subscribers have been vocal about how it's driving them crazy as well. So we're gonna see if we can take care of this. I ordered some parts on Amazon, and they're less parts and more of just you know, some pieces to see if I can get some wiring hooked up so that we can get rid of this light, because there is nothing wrong with my bike, technically speaking, except that there's an open circuit there on the rear lighting module. So we're gonna see if we can't get that light to turn off this afternoon, and other than that, that's all we got going on. So the next time you see me, we'll be getting to work. All right.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here is the module that was on the back of the Fat Bob. You've seen this before if you've watched my other videos. Here is the wiring for the license plate light that plugs in here. Now, before I plugged all this in, there was 3 wires going into this harness to plug into the module. And once it was plugged into the module, this red light that is so awesomely on all the time now was off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and splice a wire either into the, if you can see this here, I've got my, using my phone, either into one of these or both of these if I have to. I'm going to splice wires into this module here for the rear lighting. This one's open too, but this one was open to start with, so we're going to cross our fingers and hope that once we get this closed, this circuit closed, or this circuit completed here, that we won't have to worry about this being open. So we're going to try that out, and once I have all these wires spliced, I'll show you actually what we're going to use to splice them, because I'm not going to do any actual splicing. We're going to use some of these things called Posi-Taps. What we're going to do here is not have it to splice into the wire, but what this basically this like needle is going to do is once we put the wire that needs to be spliced through there, that little thing is going to splice through without having to cut the wire. And then we're going to take the one of these wires, because we're going to find out which one it is, whether it's the actual hot wire or if it's just a ground wire. And we're going to take one of these that I also purchased on Amazon. Unfortunately, there's no Radio Shack anymore, so I couldn't run down to my local Radio Shack and pick these up. But hopefully we can splice this wire through here and get it back in through this harness, and we'll be looking at that light turning off. So I'll be back once I've completed all that stuff, and I'll spare you the details.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so hopefully this is as simple as it looks. Push that through there. So there we go. That's actually really good. That is not going to come loose there. We're going to pull one of these. Oh, we already got one out. Through here. And then we'll add this to this here. And as you'll see in here, looks like it's going sideways there. Okay. So, seriously, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Okay, so I've got that there. Then we're gonna tap this into 12 volts here. Okay, so here we go. Still got the lights on here. Still got the tail light on there. Oh my gosh. Are you telling me I did that on the first try? Oh, nope. Okay, so what do we got going here? Got the tail light on. That was pretty awesome though. It wanted to work, I could tell.
20 minutes later.
Well, after all that, trying to get the light to come off, we failed. But guess what? I took the advice of a couple of my subscribers who said throw a band-aid on it, and that's essentially what I did. So I mean, for all of you who are totally annoyed by the light shining in your face, we fixed it. For all intents and purposes, for you, we fixed it. So can't win them all. I tried hard. I was happy with myself because I did not lose it. Nothing was thrown, no curse words. I spared it all because, you know, I've done a lot of work on this bike in the last 6 months, and I have dropped a lot of curse words. Fortunately for you all who watch the channel, I spare you all the curse words. I say them off camera. But there were no curse words to be had because, you know what? The light's been on since I made this mod. Everything works just fine. There are no electrical problems with the bike. And, oh shoot, you know what? We're gonna go get some gas. But again, the lesson to be learned here is sometimes you can't do it all yourself. And you gotta take it in to be worked on. So, hey, shout out here to one of my subscribers who posed me the question. I'll spare you me trying to quote it and just say that the question, and I'll pose it here on the screen so you can actually see what the actual question is, but he wanted to know if I do my own mechanical work, and if I do, what does that do to the warranty on a motorcycle? Now, you can do the work on your motorcycle yourself, and I do believe though, if your bike is under warranty, and this is something I'm told about my car, I don't know about my motorcycles because I've never bought a motorcycle new, or haven't bought one used that still was under warranty, so I cannot say this for certainty. And I did look this up on his behalf to try and see if there was anything that I could find on warranties for motorcycles. But I'm going to say this, and this probably goes the same for motorcycles as it does with the cars that I have bought that did have warranties, is that you've got to take it in. It doesn't have to be to a dealership, but it's got to be a place that's like a certified mechanic, or actually in some cases they'll actually require you to go to a place that is approved by the people who do the warranty. So there are stipulations on those warranties, so you've got to be careful if your bike is under warranty on doing your own work. And I mean, sometimes that goes as deep as doing your own oil changes. Sometimes they require a certified dealer or certified mechanic or shop to do those oil changes so your bikes will stay in warranty. So you've got to be really careful with that. Make sure you read the fine print. And I know people don't like to do that, and it's a question that was posed by someone who, you know, was just curious. Maybe I knew right off the bat, and I can tell you without complete certainty that you're going to want to be really careful when it comes to your warranty.
So make sure you read your paperwork, and if anything, talk to your dealer. They'll know for sure. I know for guys like me who like to do their own work on their bike because they don't have a lot of confidence, and that was actually something that was posed in that question on my Ask Me Something video, was that you know, can you really trust your mechanic? Can you really trust your dealer to do your work? Now, for all the feedback, all of the negative feedback that you'll get on a dealer's workmanship or craftsmanship, that you're gonna get just as much, if not more, positive feedback. Now, these people are professionals. They make mistakes. You're gonna hear all the time about the mistakes that they make, because the people who have problems are the ones who are gonna speak the loudest. So I think, if anything, talk to friends, see if they know a good mechanic. And again, like I said, a lot of the times, to stay in under your motorcycle's warranty, you just got to go to a place that is certified by the people who you have your warranty under. So again, be careful with that. And that's really the extent of what I have to say about that. Gotta get some petrol. So guys, I would urge you to speak with your dealer, speak with your mechanic. It's good to be on good terms with your dealer. I know a lot of people say that they don't trust their dealer, or they don't trust their dealer's service department, but get in with a good rapport with them. A lot of times it'll turn them off if you go in and you want to tell them what to do, or you want to tell them how to do their job. And if you do that, it's not like they're gonna purposely do bad work on your machine, but maybe they're not going to do it as fast as they could. So again, build good relationships, and I would say that with everything that you do in life. So we're going to fill up some gas here. So guys, if you have any questions, put it in the comments. If you have comments on how I might be able to fix this problem with this light, again, with the open circuit here on the module here underneath the seat, leave it in the comments. Help a brother out. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up down there, and if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button, or you can click on one of the links that I just popped up there on your screen to go straight to one of my other videos. Guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.